Hey, 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 ladies and gentlemen, you got your girl Sabrina Wright here, and I am your prosperity coach. But I'm coming to you today on a very, very serious matter, all right? Throughout the world, the country, there are U.S. borders, keeping people from going in and coming out into the states if they don't have proper identification. And so I have a friend, and she told me not to call her name, but her 7-year-old daughter has passed while being held detained in one of the El Paso's detention centers for immigrants. She was detained with her husband, which was the little girl's father, and he's alive, but he's very, very ill. And so hearing this story has really touched me, and I decided for the You Deserve to Win organization to help raise money to stop the crisis that's going on at the border, all right? Although I know we may not be able to wholeheartedly stop the crisis, however, these people have not eaten in months. They have not showered in months. The rooms hold only about 125 people, and it's over 900 people to a room who have not eaten, who have not showered, who can't properly, go to the restroom. Some people have even used the bathroom on themselves. And you got so many people who not getting the proper rest that they need. And it really is shocking to me that it's a lot of children who hasn't eaten, who haven't taken a shower, who haven't brushed their teeth, who are not even getting the proper health care, right? They have been asked to drink water out of toilets in these detention centers. And so I think that it's absurd that these people in these detention centers, these immigrant detention centers, are getting treated worse than prisoners, than murderers, right? You got people in jail who at least get 3 meals a day. You got people in jail who are at least taking showers, who have clean, uniforms, clean underwear, right? Toiletries, brushing their teeth. But you have human beings in cages here in the U.S. who are not eating, who haven't showered, who are dying, as this little 7-year-old girl died of malnutrition, haven't eaten in months, haven't drank a significant amount of water, and it's sad. It's really, really sad that us as Americans can watch, our president, Donald Trump, do something like this. It's sad that we can sit back and watch, people, human beings being detained and treated worse than animals, right? You can leave your dog in a car and go to jail, but you got people in El Paso, in U.S. territory, in U.S. custody, who are not eating, who aren't sleeping, who don't have the right health care. And so we fight for other countries. We fight, to help other people. But here we are right here in America, the land of the free and the brave, and are not helping people right here in the country that we live in. And it's really sad because we use, immigrants' help to build things. We trade with foreign countries. We need, resources from other countries. But here it is, people from other countries are being treated worse than animals. They're not even being treated as human beings. And so the You Deserve to Win organization has put something so amazing together. I've got in touch with El Paso City Councils. I've got in touch with the mayor here in Atlanta, Keisha Bottoms, and I am making sure these people get these resources. We will provide food. We will provide clothes. We will provide, toiletries and toothpaste and towels and showers to these people. All right. And so I just need your help to help me raise money to get it done. All right. So it's a link at the bottom of this video, a GoFundMe link. And it's also a link for you can read this article and you can see what is going on at the detention centers. And so it's really sad, guys. So we must come together as people. We must come together as people of God, right? With love and help our brothers and sisters. All right, guys. So if you click the link in the bottom of this video to the GoFundMe page. You click the link in the bottom of this video and read the article. All right, if you have any clothes, old shoes, old blankets, you want to donate some toiletries and toothpaste and toothbrushes and blankets or anything that you may have, Bibles, books, something, you can reach out to me in the email that's in the bottom of this video and email me so that I can give you the address where you can send your items. All right. And so I appreciate you guys for helping me on this mission. This mission is very important to me because I'm a human being. I'm a human being, and I don't want to see anyone hurt or dead because of our lack of humanity. All right, guys. So I love you. My name is Sabrina Wright, right here out of Atlanta, Georgia. I'm looking forward to seeing your donations. I'm looking forward to seeing your emails. I'm looking forward to seeing all the things that we're going to do and come together as a nation to help our fellow brothers and sisters. All right, guys. So I love you all, and you deserve to win. Bye-bye now.